Okay, part 2 on this 2008 Nissan Altima. Fresh feed has been applied. Ready to go. Look at how easy that is. I'm all the way over the car. You see that? Look, no urethane, make contact anywhere. All the way back over the car again. This time we're going to set it. Doesn't get any easier than that. I know that a lot of people are probably asking the question, why is the Rolladeck so expensive? Well, I can only say one thing as to why we have to get what we get for the Rolladeck system, and that's because it is a specialty tool. It's not something that's going to sell at Walmart, something that you're going to be able to sell at AutoZone. The only people that are going to buy the Rolladeck are people like you and me, people that do this for a living. If you compare it to the price of other systems on the market today, most other systems actually price higher than Rolladeck. Rolladeck is comparatively speaking close to the price of those other systems, but most of them are priced higher. The only systems that are priced less than the Rolladeck system are suction cups alone and like this plastic guide thing that you set on the opening. I can't really get specific about what it is, but everything else is really priced higher than the Rolladeck. So yes, at $749 retail, the Rolladeck is a little bit expensive, but if it makes your job easier, if it saves you in labor, if it saves you in the amount of urethane you use every day. If you save a tube of urethane every single day, add that up in a month. Say a tube of urethane costs you $7 or $8 per tube, and there's 30 days in a month or 23 working days in a month. That adds up quick. Just in urethane savings alone, you're going to pay for your Rolladeck tool in a matter of months. Rolladeck, simple, portable, and effective. When precision is a must, it's a Rolladeck you can trust.